This is my miracle baby.
Why do you consider your son a miracle baby?
Well, I never thought I'd be able to have any children after I had the chemo and the radiation. But he's there.
Marilyn is married to a staff sergeant in the Air Force. The family was living in Georgia when Marilyn was first diagnosed with breast cancer late in 1988. And Marilyn had just spent months taking care of her mother who had died of cancer. When she first felt sick, she blamed the strain of all she had taken on. Marilyn had just had a mammogram that showed no disease.
There was never a lump. What happened was my arm was going to sleep, and my doctor thought it was a pinched nerve, and he was going to go in and clip the nerve. I was going to go home that afternoon, I thought. But then when they got in, that's when he found the cancer, and he took out some of the lymph nodes.
Her first surgery was done in Georgia, and just as she was beginning her chemotherapy follow-up, the family was transferred to McGuire in New Jersey. So her doctors in Georgia recommended that she continue her treatment here at the Fox Chase Cancer Center in suburban Philadelphia. Dr. Bookman explained to me that pregnancy after cancer treatment isn't always possible, especially for women in their 30s like Marilyn.
Many of our patients who go through chemotherapy and start off with normal menstruation, normal reproductive function, about 50% when they finish chemotherapy will not resume normal periods and in fact would not be able to become pregnant.
Marilyn kept optimistic about her chances for a bigger family. But when she became pregnant, a full year after she had completed 2 courses of chemotherapy, a mastectomy, and radiation, one of her doctors here at Fox Chase recommended that she terminate the pregnancy.
One doctor was saying that the pregnancy would probably cause if there were any cancer cells left, they would grow faster. And then one doctor said, I don't see why you can't. But I just believed in my heart that God was going to take care of me and the baby, and I still believe it. And he's going to bless me to raise him.
In June of 1991, Adam Johnson was born, and he's completed the dream of his mom and dad.
God healed me, and that I'm going to be around to raise him. That's how I feel.